substances which produce hydroxyl ions, that is OH negative ions, is known as bases. Known as bases. For example, NH4OH. This is your ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. What will it give, sir? What will it give? NH4OH plus में H2O. How will it dissociate? It will give NH4 positive plus OH negative ion. Here is no formation of S3O positive ion. It's only produce this OH, that is hydroxyl ion only. Next, this is your NaOH. This is sodium hydroxide. What will it produce? It will produce Na positive plus में OH negative. They are all in aqueous state, beta. All the compounds are in aqueous state. Ions are also in aqueous state. Only water is in liquid state. For example, KOH, further example, gives, according water, gives K positive plus में OH negative. MgOH whole twice, magnesium hydroxide, gives Mg2 positive plus how much ions are produced? 2 OH negative ions. Next, your aluminum hydroxide AlOH का whole thrice plus water gives Al3 positive plus में 3 OH negative ions. So these all gives OH negative ions. So these all are known as bases. They are all known as bases. Understand, beta? According to Arrhenius, substances which produce hydronium ion, H3O positive ion जो बनाते थे उन्हें एसिड्स कहते थे, और जो OH नेगेटिव आयन बनाते थे उसे क्या कहते थे बेटा? बेसिस कहते थे. ठीक है, ये तो था आर्नियस का कॉन्सेप्ट. इसकी लिमिटेशंस क्या थी बेटा? वो लिमिटेशन सुन लीजिए. अब इन्होंने लिमिटेशन ये नहीं था कि, अब इसका मतलब तो यही हुआ कि लिमिटेशन जिसके अंदर H पॉजिटिव और OH पॉजिटिव आयन, यानी कि आर्नियस, अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्नियस, एसिड प्रोड्यूस H पॉजिटिव आयंस एंड बेस प्रोड्यूसेस OH negative ions only in aqueous solution. But there are many acids or bases which do not produce H positive or OH negative ions. There are some substances which does not produce, which produce H positive or OH negative ions. They have not produced H positive or OH negative ions. That means they are also behave as acid or bases. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम एग्जाम्पल है लिमिटेशंस पे बेटा, अगर एग्जाम्पल है कि ये H पॉजिटिव आयंस और OH नेगेटिव आयंस नहीं प्रोड्यूस करते, फिर भी क्या है, एसिड और बेसिस होते. पहले मैं एसिड्स के एग्जांपल दे देता हूं जिसके अंदर H पॉजिटिव आयंस नहीं देंगे, फिर भी क्या होते हैं, वो एसिडिक इन नेचर होते हैं. आपके लिए एग्जांपल्स में SO2 सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, SO3 सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड, CO2. These are acidic in nature. These are acidic in. बेटा आर्नियस ने कहा था कि कुछ आयंस, कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस भी होते हैं जो क्या होते हैं, जिनके जो H पॉजिटिव आयंस या OH पॉजिटिव आयंस नहीं देते, बट वो क्या होते हैं? एसिड्स होते हैं। क्या होते हैं? एसिड्स होते हैं। तो उनके मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिए हैं, SO2, SO3, CO2 यानी सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. These are acidic in nature. Na2O, this is your sodium oxide. Na2O sodium oxide. CaO is calcium oxide. NH3 ammonia. MgO magnesium oxide. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. These all are basic in nature. These are all are bases which do not produce hydroxyl ions. They does not produce OH negative ions. Last limitation is that not applied in non-aqueous solutions. That means if aqueous solution is present, then it will easily, we can say that substance is acid or base according to Arrhenius. But if it is non-aqueous solution, then we cannot determine whether the substance is acidic or basic. Is clear, beta? Okay, beta? Yes, sir. In the next class, we do the further two concepts, Bronsted-Lowry concept and Lewis concept. Okay, beta? Okay, sir. Okay? Sir? Yes, beta? Sir, beta, notes, you have to write your own. Okay, sir. If any problem, you can ask. Students, there is a review section in this form. You have to comment what about the class. You will also give. There is a comment section. Okay, beta? What about the lecture you think it is good, very good or nice? You have to do that whatever you want. Okay? Okay, beta. Yes, beta.